that close to the window. All right, Apollo. Let's start with this. What do we have here? You want to answer the question first? Touch. What's that made of?
Glass.
No, this. What's this made of?
Paper.
Yes, good job. All right, you ready? What's in here? What is this? Oh, boy. Touch. What's that made of?
Glass.
Yes, good bird. What's this called? What's this called? What's it called? Oh, the wire's a little bit. There, I fixed it, Paul. What's this called? Do you have any idea? What do you think it's called?
Glass.
It's made of glass. What do you think it's called?
Glass.
Tori, what's this called?
That's a bell.
That's right. Good girl, Tori. It's a bell.
Thank you.
What's this called?
Metal.
No, it's not even made of metal. What's it called?
Metal.
What's this called?
Red.
Nah, that's okay. What color? What color is this?
White.
Yes, good bird. It's made of what? What made of?
Glass.
Yes, glass. Good job, Paul. You're so smart. You want to try one of the other new things? What's this called?
Metal.
It's a bell. It's called a bell. All right, Paul, let's try something else. We got all these new things. Ooh, this one was already unwrapped. You ready? Oh. What's this made of? What made of?
Metal.
Yes, that's right. What's this called? What's this called, Apollo?
Metal.
What called?
Metal.
It's made of metal. What's this called? What's this called?
Red.
Do you not make the connection that this is a bell? This is a bell. This is called a bell. What's this called? You want to play with it? Tell me what it's called. I'll let you play with it. What's this called? What's this called?
Metal.
No. I'm curious.
Snack.
Oh, you want a snack? Apollo, what's this called?
Purple.
That's the color. What's this called?
It's a bell.
That's right, it's a bell. Okay, so you can say it right now. What's this called?
Purple.
No, what's this called? What's this called, Apollo?
Paper.
No, that's a bell. Do you want to touch it? You want to hold it? You can hold that. We'll get one of the... Oh! You dropped it! Apollo, what's this called?
It's a bell.
That's right, it's a bell! Good bird! Do you want a pistachio? That was really good.
Try offering like snack and the bell and see what it picks.
Interesting.
'Cause maybe he just wants the object. I mean, that's how they trained Alex, is like they rewarded him with the object.
Alright, Paul, you can have the bell if you want. What do you want? Oh, he wants the pistachio
Or he
that
wants
time.
snack. Alright, figured we'd also. Oh, they see what's up. They know what's going on. They want snacks.
Alright, Tori. We'll let you do this one.
Okay.
Just...
Alright. I almost dropped it.
Well, we got another new object.
Oh, we got more. But wait. I left the sticker on. That's okay. Straight from the old thrift store. You want to touch? Oh, you like it? Apollo, can you tell me what color? What color?
Red.
That's right, color red. I'll get you a snack if you tell me. What's this made of? What's it made of? What's this made of?
Glass.
That's right, you get a
Oh my
snack.
goodness, Apollo, you're just so
Let me
smart.
get you a pistachio.
I figured you would see that that's red.
Here you are, one good boy snack.
Yeah, try and get in the opposite order too whenever he's done with his snack.
Yes, that would be.
See if he can do it.
I did red glass, now it would be glass red.
Mm-hmm.
My girls are a little jealous. No deal. You can have a snack as soon as we get one more with Apollo. You want to earn a snack?
Doesn't even have to explicitly be. Like, just start
Ready?
asking him questions, and if he asks for a snack, he's
You ready?
earned one.
He's ready. Okay. So first is, what's this made of? What's it made of?
Paper.
No.
Silly bird.
Silly. What's this made of? What's it made of?
Glass.
That's right. You get one more. You get a pistachio.
Try and only hold it from the bottom. It'll let it ring more.
What color? What color?
Red.
That's right. Color red. You can touch. You want a snack? Here, you want to hold that? I'll get him a snack. He likes that. Here you are. One birdie snack. Let me put this up. Yes, girls, you also deserve snacks. You've been so nice and quiet. This is unlike you. Eat. Here you go, girly birds. There you go, girls. Enjoy. Oh, alright.
I'll try another one.
We have
The
more?
small one is another red glass, so do one of the other two.
I don't like that one.
Oh, yeah, the one isn't really. That was just something I got for me. Do the tall one.
This one.
Yeah. I don't even want to say what it is. I'll unwrap it.
I gotta unwrap it.
Oh, what's this, Apollo?
Look, what's that made of? What's that made of?
Paper.
That's right, made of paper. You want to see what's inside? Oh, look at this. Oh, you want to touch it?
What's that, Apollo?
You want to bang? You want to bang bang? Yeah. What color?
Red.
No, it's half red, I guess. What's this made of? Come touch. Come bang. Give it a bang. What's it made of? What's this made of?
Glass.
That's right. Let's try again. Can you tell me what color? What color? What color?
Red.
No, this is color. Dalton, what color?
White.
No, this is color purple. This is color purple made of glass. Paulo, I'll give you a pistachio if you tell me what color. What color?
Red.
No, this is color purple.
You're so proud of yourself for the old red.
That's just his color. That's just his color. Red is his color.
Let me see it. Apollo, what color is this? What color?
White.
White? No.
Well, you said white.
What color?
Purple.
Yes,
There you
there you
go.
go. Good
Color
job,
purple.
Apollo. Do you want to play with it?
You want to touch?
Here.
You want me to hold it?
Hold it like this and it'll reverberate the most. Or whatever noise that is.
You're gonna bang the glass?
Glass.
Yeah, you're gonna
it's
bang
glass.
purple glass.
You're looking at the phone now.
Glass.
Yeah, it's
made of
glass.
glass. Anything to say, Apollo? Anything to say to the people? Oh, you hear the bird outside?
Glass. Here, make a sound. Put your head in there.
Hat.
Hat. You're not interested? Here, actually, put your head in there.
Here, let's switch. I want to see how he reacts to that little like martini thing I got.
Okay.
It makes a really cool sound.
Put that down.
Well, actually, we might as well test him on this one. All right, Apollo, what's this one?
Oh, it's new.
What's that made of?
Paper.
Yeah, that's paper. But that's not the cool part. Ooh. What color?
Red.
That's right, it's colored red. Good bird. What's it made of? What made of? Well, I don't want you to get that. What's it made of?
Metal.
No. What's that made of?
Glass.
That's right, it's made of glass. Good bird. This one's a little dirty, Apollo, so I'm gonna have to take this one out. Away from here.
I think he's changed his happy word from Wario to metal.
Yeah.
We haven't been getting a lot of Warriors. One more.
Oh, well, what's this one?
Oh.
Oh, what's that made of?
Paper.
Yeah, it's paper. You want to help me unwrap it? Grab that. You gotta grab the paper. Apollo, grab the paper. Bite the paper. You gotta hold it. Yeah, there you go. Help me unwrap it. There we go. Oh, goodness. What's that made of?
Glass.
Yes, that's right. You wanna hit it?
Bang, bang.
This one really rings. You like that noise?
Tickles his brain just right.
Yeah, just look at his pupils. I'll never get over that each side usually dilates at a different rate. Hard to capture that on camera, though.
Mm-hmm.
What's this made of?
Glass.
Yeah, that's right. Good bird. You just done great, Apollo. Good bird.
Very good.
Do you want any snacks or anything? Do you want anything? You've earned one.
What do you want?
What snack?
You want a snack? All right. Snack. See? Snacking. Snack in the glass.
Ooh.
Oh, don't bite that hard. There you go.